Nice shoulders. Bro, you look broad. I often receive such compliments. Yes, I work on my shoulders very much, but it's not only the size of the shoulders. It's my posture, the way I hold myself gives my upper body a great look. Hi there, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. People with desk jobs or students who study all the time or people who sit all day long, they are very much prone to this bad posture and majorly this hunchback. So, today I'm going to show you 4 exercises to correct this hunchback and to give your body posture an amazing makeover. This video is for girls as well. Very few girls have this amazing way of carrying themselves with this body posture and they catch the guy's attention, especially mine, very quickly. So do watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on anything. The main reason people slouch and have this bad body posture is because they are very ignorant while sitting. Like they sit in a very bad position, due to which the chest muscles, the shoulders, the trap muscles, they become tight, so they pull you in this position. Like this muscle is tight, so it will pull you ahead in this position automatically. So through the 4 exercises we will correct and loosen these muscles and we will strengthen our back muscles. So the first exercise, it's a very common exercise, people perform it in the gym as well. It's called the isometric rows. So here how it's done. First you have to take your hands forward, then pull your back muscles to this position. Take your hand forward, then pull your back to this position. You have to hold in this position for like 5 to 6 seconds. So forward, then push back this way. So you can perform 10 to 15 reps of this exercise. The second exercise is called overheads to back rolls. This exercise basically focus to loosen your tight upper traps, chest and the shoulder muscles. I have explained this earlier. Due to these tight muscles, they pull your shoulder in front like this, giving you a hunch position. So we have to loosen them and strengthen them. So this is how it's done. You can do it using a towel or a cable. So slightly wider than your shoulder length, you have to hold the towel like this and then take it the entire way back this way and then bring it in the front. This not only improves your posture but also increases your shoulder mobility. You have to start this exercise with a wider grip than your shoulder length and narrow the grip as the mobility increases. The third exercise is called Cobra Pose. It is really effective to improve your sitting position and this is how it's done. For the starting position, you have to lie down on your belly and then you have to rise upwards using your lower back and middle back and not putting any force through your hands on the ground. I'm repeating this, you don't have to push on the ground through your hands, you just have to rise from your back, lower back and the middle back. Also one tip while starting, make sure you tuck your shoulders inside. The last and the fourth exercise is chin tucks and shoulder angels. So starting with chin tucks, basically this hunch posture brings your chin outwards like this in a slant manner. So the correct posture is this. So to get this in, we have to perform this exercise chin tucks. So this is how it's done. You have to perform the exercise in a way that gives you a double chin like this. So this is one rep. 1, 2. So while doing this chin tucks, you can feel the stretch and pain in these neck muscles. So you have to hold in this position for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, then go ahead and you have to perform 10 to 15 reps of chin tucks. Now coming to shoulder angels, we also call it as wall angels. So this is how it's done. Stand against a wall this way, then touch your head and hips to the wall and then take your shoulder blades back so that they also touch the wall. So now the starting position is this. From this W position you have to go to this Y position. Make sure you put the stress on your shoulder blades like this. So you can perform 10 to 15 reps of this exercise. Now some random tips. The first one, while sitting, pay attention to your sitting posture. So if you are sitting and using your laptop, so make sure you are not doing it in this way and keep your back straight and then use a laptop. Second, while using a mobile phone, don't hunch like this and use a mobile phone. Be conscious and keep your posture straight. Next, while working on laptop or studying, avoid doing it on a bed. Do it using a proper chair and table setup so it gives your body a good posture. So that's it for this video. Share this video with your friends to improve their body posture as well. If you like the content, do subscribe the channel.